Hi writers, I have a secret to tell you today. This whole week we've been practicing writing sentences like we learned how to do in kindergarten. So we've been following our kindergarten rules, like we've been stretching words out and writing a letter for each sound that we hear. We've been making sure that our sentences look like kindergarten sentences by putting a capital letter at the beginning, spaces between the words, and a period at the end. And we've also been growing our sentences from writing 3 sentences to 4 to 5. And you might not have known, but this whole time when you were writing sentences, you were actually writing paragraphs, which is a very grown-up way of writing, and you didn't even know you were doing it. So today we're going to write another paragraph. And our paragraph will have 5 sentences, but I'm going to go back to the beginning and I'm going to show you how you actually have been doing this the entire time. So I'm going to go to my very first, I'm going to grab my notebook. Remember, yours might be red and it might be yellow. Mine is blue. I'm going to go to the very first thing that I wrote in here about my favorite food. This was a little paragraph about my favorite food. All of the sentences are about one thing. In this case, it was popcorn. All of the sentences on this page are about popcorn. The first sentence tells what the whole paragraph is going to be about. We call it the topic sentence. The topic sentence tells what the whole paragraph is going to be about. My topic sentence says, my favorite food is popcorn. This whole paragraph was about popcorn. I like to get popcorn at the movies. I have a popcorn popper at my house. There. When I was writing a paragraph about popcorn, I didn't switch in the middle and start writing about pizza. I kept all of my sentences on the same topic. The next day was the day that we wrote about a place that we've been. That day, I wrote about going to the Henry Ford. All of my sentences in this paragraph were about going to the Henry Ford, and the first sentence told what the rest of the paragraph was going to be about. I love highlighter tape. Friday, I went to the Henry Ford. That's my first sentence. It tells that the rest of the sentences in this paragraph are about the Henry Ford. I went to see the Marvel exhibit. There were not many people there. I also saw old cars. I didn't stop in the middle of this paragraph and start writing about McDonald's. My whole sentence was about the Henry Ford. Today, what you're going to do is you're going to write 5 sentences about your favorite holiday. And the first sentence is going to tell what holiday you're writing about. So my first sentence says, my favorite holiday is Thanksgiving. Guess what all my sentences are going to be about? Thanksgiving. It is my favorite because I love fall. I love when the leaves fall and it is chilly. I also love mashed potatoes. On Thanksgiving, my whole family comes over. I make apple pie. 5 sentences, all about Thanksgiving. The first sentence tells what holiday I'm writing about. It tells what all of the rest of the sentences are going to be about. You're going to go off and you're going to write in your notebook 5 sentences about your favorite holiday. The first sentence is going to tell what holiday you're writing about. I'm going to put some words that you might need to spell right in the assignment. I'm going to put favorite in there, and I'm going to put because in there because you might need to know how to spell those. You also might need to know how to spell your favorite holiday name. In your blue writing folder, there's a word wall. There's also a list of holidays, so you can look up how to spell your favorite holiday too. When you're done, upload a picture of your writing. If you go on to 2 pages, remember to upload both of them. Have fun, writers.